Google, Apple, and Tesla are hiding something. And it's not another overpriced charging cable. These tech giants use AI in ways you never knew. And some of it, pretty scary. From self-learning iPhones to AI that can literally drive you home while you nap, today we're exposing the insane AI tech behind these companies. And trust me, you won't look at your phone the same way again. Ever typed something into Google and it finishes your sentence like it's reading your mind? Well, it kinda is. Google's AI, powered by deep learning and data from billions of searches, predicts what you're thinking before you even hit enter. Ever feel like Google knows you better than you know yourself? That's because its AI, powered by RankBrain and BERT, doesn't just match keywords. It actually understands what you mean, even when you spell things horribly wrong. Ever gotten a creepily accurate email suggestion like, "Sure, sounds good," before you even thought of replying? That's Gmail's AI reading between the lines and possibly reading your mind. You hop on YouTube for a 5-minute tutorial, and suddenly it's 3 a.m. and you're watching How to Survive a Bear Attack. Yeah, YouTube's AI knows your guilty pleasures better than your best friend does. Siri, are you spying on me?
I can neither confirm nor deny that.
Yeah, that's not suspicious at all. It uses machine learning to understand your voice, even when you're half asleep, mumbling, or absolutely butchering your favorite song in the shower. It learns your face over time. So, yes, it still recognizes you even when you wake up looking like a sleep-deprived zombie. Your iPhone camera is secretly an AI-powered magician. It fixes bad lighting, enhances details, and makes you look 10% better, even if you just rolled out of bed. Imagine taking a nap while your car drives you home. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie. It's Tesla's AI in action. It learns from real drivers, which means it's probably better at parallel parking than half the people on the road. It processes 48 frames per second, giving your Tesla faster reflexes than you when you drop your phone. Tesla's AI can anticipate other drivers' moves before they even make them. Basically, it's the psychic of the highway. Honestly, Tesla's AI is probably a better driver than half the people on the road. Looking at you, Karen in the SUV. So, Google knows your thoughts, Apple scans your face, and Tesla can drive itself. Are we in the future or an episode of Black Mirror? What do you think? Are AI advancements exciting or terrifying? Drop a comment below. And if you want more AI facts, make sure to hit that subscribe button.